a new option has been added which is called the flute legend. So when flute color mapping is selected, the i3DG simulation view, a legend will now be displayed to indicate what color matches each flute number. So when we change it from the feature to the flute color mapping, we can see there's a legend that shows which flute matches which color. So here you can see which is flute number 1 up to flute number 12, and it makes it easy when you have a more number of flutes to see which flute is short, long, and which has to come further down to the gash, etc. And it's easy to identify it, and it goes up to 12 flutes in all the operations.